a simple preparation, a probiotic with great health benefits. Make this fermented millet porridge, ambali, in any of these two methods to boost immunity, heal, and promote health. Welcome to Water Gravy. For the preparation of millet ambali, fermented millet porridge, Kanji, I am going to use little millet, also called as Samai, Saame, Chama, Samalu, Kutki. Add 1 cup or 250 grams of little millet Rava to a bowl. Wash in water 2 to 3 times. Low in calories and high in fiber, millets are naturally gluten-free and help promote weight loss. Little millet is one of the 5 positive millets used to cleanse the organs. Add 3 cups of water. Soak for at least 6 hours so that the inner fibers get soaked well. You can use any millet that you have and prepare ambali or fermented porridge the same way. You can also prepare the ambali using millet flour. Take 1 cup or 250 grams of little millet flour. Millet flour ambali is especially helpful for people who are just starting out on millets or have problems digesting the grains, for elderly people, or for anyone who prefers this taste. Add 2 cups of water. If the millet has been soaked for 8 hours, dried and powdered, then a soaking time of 30 minutes is enough. Mix well to ensure that there are no lumps. Add 1 more cup of water. As this flour is store-bought, I am soaking it for 2 hours. I have soaked the millet rava overnight. To a clay pot, add the water from the soaked millet rava. Add 1 more cup of water. Close partially with the lid and allow the water to boil. Do not close it fully as the water will boil over and spill. Once the water starts boiling, add the soaked little millet rava. Reduce the flame and cook. Stir to ensure that there are no lumps and continue to cook. I am making this little millet rava ambali or porridge thick so that it can be had in place of rice along with sambar, dal, rasam and vegetables. If you want it thinner or of drinkable consistency, then you can increase and add 8 to 10 cups of water. Clay pots are porous, allowing air to circulate through the pot and have the right temperature and humidity to promote the growth of beneficial bacteria during fermentation. Additionally, the minerals in the clay can add important nutrients to the porridge. The millet has cooked now. Switch off the flame and allow to cool. To prepare the ambali, Kanji, using little millet flour, like for the rava, add the soaked millet water. Reserve a little bit of water along with the flour. This will help prevent the formation of lumps while adding the flour to the boiling water. To this, I am adding 5 more cups of water. I have totally added 8 cups of water, including the water used for soaking. You can add or reduce the quantity of water depending on the consistency that you want. Switch on the stove. Close partially with the lid and allow the water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, reduce the flame and add the soaked little millet flour with a little bit of the reserved water. Keep stirring continuously on a low flame to avoid the formation of lumps and for it to cook. After 10 minutes, it has thickened and is well cooked now. Switch off the stove. Remove and allow it to cool. Once it has cooled down, cover both the Little Millet Rava Ambali porridge and the Little Millet flour Kanji with a cotton cloth and secure with a thread. Covering with a cotton cloth allows air to circulate through the pot, which is essential for the growth of beneficial bacteria, thus aiding the fermentation process. Tie with a thread and leave for 8 hours or overnight. The fermentation time for the ambali will be the time required for setting of curd or yogurt at your place. I have allowed it to ferment overnight. The next day, open the millet rava ambali. The ambali has fermented and has become thick. Serve the ambali on a plate along with sambar, vegetable curry, and salad. You can also serve with dal, rasam, or any accompaniment of your choice. Let's check the millet flour ambali. It has nicely fermented and become thick. Add half a teaspoon of salt or as required. For the ambali, salt should be added after fermentation as the salinity of the salt will interfere with the fermentation process. Mix well. Pour into cups or glasses. To the ambali in the glass, I am adding 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Mix well. Serve with small onions or shallots and split green chilies. Both shallots and green chilies are rich in vitamin C, high in antioxidants, boost immunity, help manage blood sugar levels, and increase metabolism, thus aiding in weight loss. A nutritious and easy to make meal. Prepare this fermented millet porridge ambali in any of these 2 ways and walk your way to good health. If you enjoyed watching the video, press the like button and subscribe to keep posted on more such interesting recipes. Would love to hear from you.